We're just jumping right in. We just jumping right in. Yeah, I met my boyfriend's parents. I met my boyfriend's family at the cemetery. Hey everybody, hey my beauties. I don't know why I do peace signs. Only come in peace, always. Peace, love, and happiness. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's just dive right into it. You already see this is gonna be a get ready with me. This is of my everyday makeup that I've been doing. No, my hair is not done up right now. This is my lunch break actually. Got a good old 45-minute lunch break. I work from home right now, so we're gonna do a little, it's gonna be a get, like Ari said, like you can see, it's gonna be a little get ready with me, a little life update, so to speak. And I'm just to show you how I've been doing my makeup this summer on days that I'm not really doing that much. Maybe we have Zoom meetings for my work. So maybe we're having a meeting and my camera turned on, you know, so I want them to see my cute face, see that I'm put together a little bit. Or the occasional times I'm going out and, you know, we're just going out to maybe play pool or something. Or just go grab a bite to eat with my dad. You know, not necessarily doing a full face or not necessarily a full coverage face. So I'm going to be showing you what products I have been using, what my go-tos have been, and talking you through the whole thing. I think I already got everything that I want, actually. Yeah. These are all drugstore products except my concealer. And it's honestly because I've not bought a drugstore concealer yet in a minute. I need to get new moisturizer, so this is what I've been using right now. It comes in this little like squishy pouch. But I'm going to also be filming a beauty empties video, hopefully this weekend. And so you'll be seeing all the products that I have used up this year and possibly the end of last year, because let's be honest, I just haven't been, since working from home, I just haven't been doing my makeup all that much. Whenever I go out, I joke, half joke, that whenever I go out, it's like a fashion show. People are like, why are you wearing heels? Why do you have a full face on? I don't get to go outside that often. Okay, I go outside to meet up with my photography group. Shout out Dream Club Como. Check them out on Instagram. Check us out on Instagram, I should say. And you can also always follow me on Instagram or TikTok at Dazanaki. Just like you found me here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button on or follow, depending which platform and which social you're trying to connect with me, you know? Yes, so you'll be seeing one of the moisturizers I have been absolutely loving. I actually have misplaced it, otherwise I would show, oh, it's just right in front of me. Right under my nose. This is the moisturizer that I have been using because it has SPF in it, and I love it. This is my second or third jar I've gone through of this stuff, and I just need to buy some more. I found an Ulta gift card actually, and I used to take my butt over there and go get it, honestly. The Ulta's within walking distance of my house, and I just haven't gotten it. Ooh. Okay, so after that, this is where I said, so I just haven't gotten a new moisturizer. Whenever I go to Marshall's and shop around, there's not really a moisturizer that's catching my eye, or a concealer, I mean, that's been catching my eye. So I have been using these. I bought these on sale from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is Magic Star Concealer. This is in the shade C10 and lavender for color correcting. I've been breaking out a bunch around my jawline and just wherever on my face. So this lavender color corrector has been amazing. And I'm definitely running out of it. I'm like scraping the sides of the barrel here to get it to come out. But any purple concealer will do. Like I said, I've just been kind of doing this for some spot treatment stuff. And then I'll go in with the C10 as well. Just so really focusing on my under eyes because they've been for dark and gray. I'll get up here to brighten up my nose area, but I've also been doing a lot of blush lately, so that nose area is probably not. And then just help to blend in with those color correcting areas there. And then going with a nice fluffy Morphe M439 brush. I just like to get in here, like I said, just to brighten things up. And because I'm going to do my brows and can I crease in here. I try to let my under eyes sit a little bit. I'm actually wearing, I don't know if you can really see it. This is a matching set that I got from Shein. I actually bought it for a music festival. It's called Terp Float Fest down in Oklahoma. It was amazing. I will be making a video about that. If you're not just here for beauty stuff, I do love to travel and do a little bit of travel vlogging. I've already posted up from one trip I did this summer. I went to Colorado for 9 days by myself, so I've already put part 1 of my trip up. Part 2 will be coming soon. I've just not been in a good editing schedule, editing mood maybe. I don't know, just routine in general been difficult, especially in the summer. I'm in a new relationship and it's thriving, it's going great. We spend a lot of time together. So having time to let me sit here and watch videos of myself on repeat and edit them, and him just sitting there off the side, like, no, we're usually watching movies and stuff together. So we're not watching, you know, my videos or videos of me, which is fine. I don't want to just sit here and watch videos of me with somebody else. That would be a little weird. But my sister, shout out Mariah, she asked me the other day in front of him, she's like, so can I love YouTube? I'm like, yeah, well, you see somebody here. It's not just his fault, though. I've just not been in the mood, and I just haven't been, so I'm like, wait, I can do my catch up on my everyday makeup looks and do a little life update, whether people care about that or not, but at least you're here for the makeup looks. I am meeting my boyfriend's parents for the first time. It's gonna be an interesting day. Long story short there, he's met my family. So he's met my mom and stepdad and my little sister and my grandma. He just met my sister this weekend, and he just hasn't seen his family much the last few months. I'm gonna take a flat Morphe E49 brush and go in with a translucent powder to set my under eyes. So we're gonna be doing that today. So that's why I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just gonna make this to be perfect. Yes, I still bake, all right? So people don't bake anymore. They bake up. I mean, I bake in real life too, but all the baking. If you know, you know. But yeah, so excited for that. So we're gonna meet his mom and stepdad and his younger siblings, because he's the oldest of 5. But it's also a memorial anniversary today too that I'm meeting them. So we're gonna get to the cemetery. Yeah, so it'll be an interesting time. Definitely be, you know, one to remember, because who else is gonna say that? Yeah, I met my boyfriend's parents. I met my boyfriend's family at the cemetery. You know what? It's we're just going through a lot of interesting things together. So, you know, might as well just throw in another crazy loop. My absolute freaking favorite, something I need to get new, this probably needs to end up in my beauty empties, because honestly, I think I've had this since college, and college for me was a long time ago. Oh, okay, we're talking like almost 10 years. This is the e.l.f. blush palette. Yes, I know makeup expires, but like, hello, it's still here. Yeah, I've hit pan on 3 of them, and I'm still just like, yes, queen. But I also have a 0 blush right now, like 0, or bronzer, I mean. I've got no other bronzer. So here's a Morphe M104. A nice little angle brush, and this is what I've been using for my bronzer. I don't want to go crazy because we're going to be outside and we're going to be in the pool, but it's that time of the month and I don't really know that I'm going to be in the pool if it's not heated. They like just finished the pool. It's all like, that's what I'm saying, like, it's going to be an interesting time. Meeting for the first time. We're going to be to the cemetery. His mom just got the pool done, so we're celebrating, but we're also sad, but we're also like new beginnings. It's going to be a lot. But anyway, I was saying I got the set from Shein for a music festival. I got really distracted there with that whole thought conversation. But it's supposed to be black light. We weren't close enough to black lights at the festival. And I didn't wear it in the evening. I wore it during the day because it's hot in the car to travel. And my truck does not have air conditioning right now. So the windows were down, driving to Oklahoma. And it was like 107 that day. Our travel day down there was the hottest day there. But yeah, I wore this cute little fit. And love it. No support whatsoever, but who needs it? We're fine. We support ourselves here. But since I'm gonna be outside, I'm gonna do a lighter bronzer and blush than I normally do, because I've been a blush heavy girl. Like, I have not sunburned in the face. I got sunburn on my body. But believe that. I had definitely a sunburn all over my body a month ago, but not the face. I've been wearing hats. And my hair still turned brown, but it's whatever. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair just yet. I just threw it up out the way. I got a raise with my job, so that's exciting. I really just haven't bought much makeup lately. I just haven't been, which is why I'm like, I need to film a beauty empties of all my empty products and things that just need to be thrown out. I've honestly been doing my makeup right here in my bathroom so much. Like, honestly, all my makeup is still just in this bag, like as if I'm going on hella trips. I'm not. But when I do go somewhere, she's ready. But I ain't been anywhere in a bit. The last trip was a month ago for the float trip. Float trip music festival. And that was that. So I need to clean up my vanity area, clean up that space. I'll record some of that, of the cleanup. For those of you who like the cleaning and whatnot, I'll do a sped up cleaning video there. And then we'll go through the beauty empties. That'll be a video that should be coming up. And I'd like to say the next 2 weeks, because I really do need to clean up that area to even see. But yeah, if I was going to do a fuller face, if I was going to do a fuller coverage to my face, I have been using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. I have this in shade 00 Light Natural. And honestly, it's not that light. It's not. But of course, I'm always contouring and blending and bronzing and blushing it all up, making sure I get into the hairline and all that stuff so that I don't go crazy. Oh, this neck that I'm just trying to disappear here. So I like to go back like this. And then you can see where exactly here and down you need to contour. If that makes sense. I think it does. Okay, there's that. And then my blush brush, it fell off the stick. It needs to be cleaned. But you can tell, yeah, I stole it in both of these bad boys, and since this one's the only one that's here. And this Sabrina Carpenter style has been just doing a little bit of blush up and around. So that's what I've been doing. Okay, and there's that. Let's fill in the brows a little bit. I have been using, who's this? This is Absolute New York. This is the Brow Perfector 2-in-1 Brush Plus Brow Pencil. There's a pomade brush on one side, if you want to kind of like paint them in, or there is the side that I like to use, which is the angled brow pencil. And yeah. I've not gotten my brows waxed in quite a while. I've just been using these little dermaplaner, facial shaver, whatever you want to call them. I know people love and hate them. That's just what I've been using. If you want a video about that, I can totally do that. I'm no expert at it, but I've definitely looked into it a few different ways, because I've also gotten the derma roller that's like a micro abrasive tool that you roll across your face with the serum, and it like makes little cuts or little abrasions to help your skin to rejuvenate itself and reproduce all kinds of good things. I know there's all the science to it, but I don't know off the top of my head, you know. I've read about it. I know there's science to it. People do it. People do it professionally or do it on their own, but I have that as well. Yeah, I just feel like the fronts aren't as fluffy, you know. They look like more like sisters, not like twins, so just trying to fix that here. Like this one looks more rounded to me than this one does, so just trying to change that. Fill them out a little bit more. Alright, now, just something to make me a little more awake looking. I know a lot of people have been using Tarte, I believe. LA Colors. This is auto eyeliner in white. It's in Veil, my bad. Veil. I got this at the dollar store, honey. At the Dollar Tree. Let's just run that along the bottom here. Also, what do you guys think about wearing white after Labor Day? Okay, I was planning on wearing this swimsuit yesterday to see his family, but we didn't go yesterday. We're going today. And my family's friendly suit, it's not super cheeky, at least from what I can remember, is an all-white one-piece suit. But it's a swimsuit. I think that's different rules, because it's not regular clothing. Like, I can't control if my only swimsuit is white and it's after Labor Day. Okay, I just can't do that. And then a little bit in the corners of my eye, little e-girl look, some might say. Another thing that just kind of helps brighten up the eyes, I think. Got that. See, like, bam, bam. We done did that. All right, and I'm gonna go in with an Essence eyeliner. This is extra long-lasting eyeliner. Yeah, they didn't mess around with those names. They said it is what it is. When I let know this is not what I'm wearing to the family meeting at the cemetery. No, I have a different outfit for that. Absolutely. We're even. I think so. And I think so. And then Essence Lash Princess Mascara with that false lash effect. If I can speak today, oh my goodness. Already got it on the top lashes. I'll add a little bit more up there, and then the bottom ones. And then I would do chapstick first. So I'm gonna do chapstick with an SPF in it, and then go in with a light pink or nudie pink lipstick. One of those like your lips but better colors. And of course highlighter, because I love highlighter. I'm gonna try not to do too much today, because I don't think that about my boyfriend. We're gonna be around his family. So this is just my Morphe R34 brush, sugar and low. And the highlighter I've been using lately is LA Girl Beauties iridescent highlighter in the shade Dazzle in a Daze. I like to do that on my brow bones, right there. Do it on my finger. And if I think I look a little too dark, it didn't look like it in the camera, but I go over with this e.l.f. This is another kind of translucent powder. This is called actually a Prime and Stay finishing powder. So finishing powder, setting powder, you choose. In the shade Fair Light. Fair Light. It's fair, but it's light. And then I have a Morphe M462 brush, nice and fluffy. And I'm just gonna go over that so I don't look like I got a big sunburned forehead. And just kind of anything that might be harsh, or if I think my blush is getting too dark, all that. I don't want to look like I've got big raccoon eyes. And that's the other thing too, is going back in with this, brushing out, or that same one that we did to bake our eyes, and make sure you get that extra out of there too. Yes. Well, we don't want to be flashback Mary, and sometimes that's part of why I do this one. So it's in there. And there you have it. Guess I'll figure out something with my hair. So I'm going to put this back some way cute. But that has been my summer everyday makeup look. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for tuning in. How about that? Thanks for tuning in to see how I do my makeup this summer. Watching. And I hope to see you next time in my next video. Be sure to like this one if you did. And let me know which of these products that you have been using or are excited to use after seeing what I've done here today. All right, bye.